Exposing the secret in your cat's purr. You need to watch this if you love cats. Did you know that a cat's purr has incredible healing powers? When cats purr, they produce vibrations within a frequency range of 25 to 150 Hz. Studies have shown that these frequencies can promote healing and improve bone density in humans. So, not only do their purrs help them stay calm and relaxed, but they might also be helping you heal faster and stay healthier. Your cat could be a little furry doctor. Amazing, right? If you love fun cat facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.